Hello. Look, there is something really special and charming about the small garden. It takes great effort and thought to create something as beautiful as this, but it also shows you what you can do with a limited space. Now, our friend Margaret says she doesn't remember all the names of these plants, but she really has managed to display her own sense of colour and movement in her front garden, which really isn't huge. Let's have a look. I travel past this garden quite often, and every time I look in, there's something new, something different. It's really an ever-changing and interesting garden. Margaret didn't feel comfortable talking to us today because she is clever but camera shy. So we applaud her efforts for making this garden into such a beautiful space. And spring is just around the corner, so we intend to come back and show you how this garden really comes alive. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.